Here's how teams work in Marlee. Teams is on the left-hand side, just under people. People, you get to see everybody individually, and in teams, you get to group people together. So here you'll see that we have our Marlee teams set up, and over here you'll see a Create Team button, which allows you to recreate any teams that you'd like. You can add an icon and a logo for your team, you can name your team, and then you can select the members that you'd like to be inside of your team here. If you click into one of the teams that you've created, you will be able to get an overview of that particular team. So here, for example, I can see the motivations of the collective, of the group inside of that team. I can change the view, remember, of my motivations on this screen as well. I can also see any boards I've created with this team, and I can ask some questions of Marlee in relation to me and this team as well. So if I show you also in boards, once I have a team available, I'm able to create a board and select just that team or that group of people to be able to visualize the data. So I'll choose a team distribution template here so that you can see what I mean. So here, instead of choosing the workspace or the whole space of Marlee, I might just want to look at a particular team. So let's say I want to look at the Marlee team and I want to choose myself in relation to that team. Now I can create the board and it will show me all of Marlee in a distribution view, and it will also plot my motivational results on there as well. So you can see for this particular template, I'm going to be seeing the highest motivations of the team, the lowest motivations, and then I also see where I am in relation to those as well. And the line in the back is obviously the distribution of that team. Very easy way to select a team in a board. You can also do the same for our ideal work environment, where instead of running this board for me as an individual, I could run this for the Marlee team. And I can create a board that groups everybody into this board for me in a couple of clicks. And you'll see here that I can get a view of everybody in our team, and I will see here the distribution of that team for this particular ideal work environment board. Once you have a team created as well, it makes using our queries even easier. So I can ask a question here. How do I overcome conflict with, and let's say the Marlee team? Now remember I've popped a little @ in there so that it will tag the team for me or the individual that I'm asking the question about. And Marlee here is looking at my motivations and also the motivations of the Marlee team. And Marlee's going to debrief these results for me here so that I can use that information right in the flow of work. So Marlee here is going to be debriefing that for me. It's going to be talking about how the team, where we might have frictions. And you can see here that it's really specific to me and the team. And will really be helpful for me to really understand how I operate with that team. I hope this is helpful. Any questions at all, you can always use the little chat that's down the bottom inside of our Marlee app, and you can ask in here and talk with the team. And you can also email us anytime, hello@getmarlee.com. Thanks, everyone.